Welcome back, 3D design students. It's your Professor John here, and we're back in the studio, and this video is going to be about repetition. Finally, a nice sunny day here, and we're going to pan over to the little sculpture I've designed. And this one, to start off, the definition for repetition, we can say, is the use of a single element a number of times in a composition. So the use of something twice does not necessarily depict repetition. 3 begins to, certainly 4 and more, starts to address the idea of repetition. So these days, life is a lot about just eating. And so here I have some things from the kitchen and the pantry. I started out with the 5 little enamel Japanese, they're just tiny little plates, and I like the color, and I decided I would use them and flip them over in a composition. So I had 5 of them to start with, so that sort of was my beginning point and determined sort of the number of things I was going to use. And then looking around, I was looking for items that were the same, and in this case you want them to be nearly identical each, not just similar but the same. So I had a number of yogurt cups, Kit Kat bars, my snack of choice during the pandemic, and then peanuts on top. So I tried a number of variations first before settling on this one. I was working flat on the table and decided that it needed a little bit more dimension in the height. So that's when I took the yogurt cups out and started to get things up higher a little bit. Also, I was paying attention to color. I liked the red of the Kit Kat against the sort of bluish green of those plates. So that was a conscious choice. And then also, I liked the color of the peanut on top of the red. So all those were choices that I made. So even though this one also happens to depict symmetry, it's really more about repetition. All right, thanks. And we'll follow up with 2 more videos, one on visual balance and the last one on scale.